Hello, today I'm in Lexus UX. In this video I'll show you how to manage door lock settings. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and now go to setup. Go to vehicle customization, door lock settings, and now you can set speed sensitive auto locking, auto lock by shift from P, auto unlock by shift from P, auto unlock by driver door, remote to press unlock, and you can select doors to unlock. In the end, you can enable smart entry and start system. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.